guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. Please don't mind my hair. I let it air dry. I've been working on the computer all morning. I've done some stuff around the house and I was working on the computer. I worked out, took my shower, and while I was working on the computer, I let my hair air dry. So it's kind of crazy, but trying to not do so much to my hair. So like with heat and all of that. But so that's why I got the crazy hair. I'm sure it will wind up getting put up pretty soon anyway, but I figured I have some stuff I need to get done, some general like cleaning and tidying and picking up around my house, so I figured I would take you guys with me. I washed the sheets this morning. I actually need to go check on my sheets, and I actually did some like decluttering in the kids' rooms this morning, but I have the sheets that I need to put on both of the kids' beds. Our bed needs to get done too. Those were in the dryer, so I need to go check those. But we just have some general cleaning. I want to like wipe down the bathrooms. I've been doing not strict, but like a daily cleaning routine. I haven't done one for a long time, so I'm back on that. But we've had people over, all of that, so I just want to like just quickly wipe down the bathrooms, make the beds like I said, do a quick little tidy up in my bedroom, just some basic cleaning. So I figured, like I said, I would take you guys along with me to give you some cleaning motivation. So if you guys like cleaning videos, make sure you hit subscribe because you have plenty of that content here. I do like cleaning, organizing, cooking, and like motherhood lifestyle videos. So I hope you guys enjoy this video and let's get started.
You're gone now, will you coming back? Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're far away and yet so close. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, I feel that. Yeah, you're up in space. You're inside the noise. I can feel you. Once you've seen all the things, all the places, I hope it means that you'll come home to me. Once you've traveled the world, all the spaces inside your heart, I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll be something that you won't let go. I'll be your high when you fall down low. I hope I'll be your end destination. You're gone now, but you're coming back. Yeah, I know that. Yeah, I know that. You're the traveling kind, it's a known fact. Yeah, I know that. I hope I'll be your end destination. I hope I'll be your life-changing sensation. I hope I'll
twice away. One more time is all we need. A bitter truth to face, not that innocent. We know what we did. I'm a sucker for your love, even though it's kinda toxic, babe. You know I feel it when we touch. That your love is from a different place. It's toxic, babe. Oh, it's toxic, babe. Yeah, yeah. It's toxic, babe.
I've got this feeling, I'm feeling you could be the one. I see no
See the stage that the
reason
kids' bathroom is in.
why I should ever let you go.
They've been doing so good.
Don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming because
We've fallen off the
I
wagon.
can't get enough of this feeling giving me. Don't wanna wake up. No, I don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. When you are with me, sometimes I forget to breathe. I'm looking in your eyes, wish you could see the things I see. I don't wanna wake up if I'm dreaming because you know I can't get enough of this feeling you're giving me. Don't wanna wake up. I don't wanna wake up. Don't wanna wake up without you, baby, without. I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do.
So in cleaning my shower and my tubs, I've been using the Kaboom cleaner, and as you see, it like sprays on blue, and then I let it sit for a while, and then I use a little like Clorox powdered bleach cleaner, which I don't use harsh chemicals at all except in my bathroom because it really just needs it. But it has worked out so well and really is getting off all of the grime and just ick that accumulates so fast in the tub and also the shower.
I wouldn't know what to, baby, without you. I wouldn't know what to. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. Baby, without. I wouldn't know what to do. I wouldn't know what to do. Oh, you know, oh, you know, oh, you know. Baby, without. You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue. I wanna do what you want to.
We can leave and run away someday, someday.
So after washing the dishes, I noticed that the kitchen sink was really grimy and dirty and a lot of like caked on, stuck on food. So I just use baking soda and some dish soap, and I always keep this little scrub brush from Grove Collaborative in my sink, and that is just what I use to clean the sink. So I'm gonna get that all scrubbed out and nice and shiny because, like I said, it was looking rough. You can see I had to like actually use my finger to like pick some food off. It was really pretty gross.
I got you, and you got me too. We can always make it through. What we do is what we do. I can take you anywhere, somewhere. We won't be scared. You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue eyes. We don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too. I've been saving.
So now that that sink is all taken care of and nice and clean, I am just going to give the main living area a quick vacuum. I always shake out this rug that sits in front of my sink because it just is always filled with crumbs and tends to catch everything. So after I do all of the vacuuming in the kitchen, I'm just going to do the rugs in the dining room and under the dining room table. And that is it for this cleaning video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I was just getting some random things done that I needed to get done around the house, but I hope it gave you some good motivation, and I hope you consider subscribing. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!